Hey guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to become part of our home decor family. You guys, we are over 2,500 at this point. I am so grateful to each of you. Also, take a look at some of our previous videos. We have a ton. In today's video, let's talk about some cozy bedroom ideas. Now, depending on what your particular aesthetic is, your bedroom could be bold and just really out there, or it could even be sophisticated, elegant, and a little bit moody, or really bright, minimalistic, or even rustic like this room. No matter what design style you choose, your bedroom should always be cozy and inviting. Now, did you know as humans, and I think most of us are, we spend 1/3 of our lives sleeping. That's a lot of time, guys. And for those of us that love to hit that snooze button on your phone, that's even more time that we spend either sleeping or just lounging in bed. So having a nice, inviting, cozy bedroom is not just a want, it's a non-negotiable need. And now more than ever, we all need a place that we can leave it all behind, step away, and just retreat to our cocoon-like bedroom for just some quality hibernation time. Think about it. In your home, bedrooms are the least public rooms in the house, and they're very personal spaces, and I think that we should work toward making them feel that way, infusing them with warmth and coziness and comfort. But let's talk about some ways to make your bedroom feel more cozy. So the first way that you can really make your bedroom feel more cozy is to add touches of wood. Now, whether your bedroom is really tiny or this huge oversized room, incorporating wood on the walls and in the furniture is the perfect way to add a sense of warmth. It can be as simple as board cladding against the wall, or you can go elaborate and you can just really create this board and batten type of creation over your walls. Now, when true wood is not possible or feasible, there are also really nice wallpapers that can simulate the wood cladding and just really give you that feel. Choosing wood furnishings and accents can also help to create that feeling of coziness in spaces where you can add paneling or wallpaper. Tip number 2 is to create the ambiance with lighting. A cozy bedroom needs light, but not just any kind of light. There's nothing worse than a harsh ceiling down light shining on you while you're in bed. You're curling up in bed, you have a good book, and then you turn on this really bright fluorescent light, and then for some reason it's 4 o'clock in the morning and you still can't sleep. It's the lighting. So turn off the overhead fixture after dark and concentrate on low lighting. The key to an intimate mood is incorporating various sources of lighting, including, once again, soft bedside lamps and strategically mounted ceiling lights for a touch of drama. Now, a third tip to creating a cozy bedroom you love is going to be definitely optional because it's not for everyone, but it's choosing a dramatic bed. So for the ultimate cozy feeling, find a bed that really stands out and that you're drawn to. Sometimes I see people with just the mattresses and not the headboard, and if that's what they love, then that works for them. But a lot of times it's not what they love, and they just kind of put up with it because they want to fix up other areas of the house first because those areas get seen so much. But the same work and passion that you put in other rooms of your home to impress other people, you should put in your bedroom to impress yourself, and not just impress yourself, but to really, treat yourself. You deserve that. Tip number 4, go for calming colors and really natural materials. So I am going to definitely contradict myself here for a minute. Those of you all that watch my videos, I apologize in advance. So, I usually say your home decor should be about you. If you are a bold and bubbly type person, if you love bright colors and geometric shapes and all of that, if you want it in your bedroom, why not? This is your house, it's your room. If that's the decor you want, go for it. But I will say this: we as humans are just naturally predisposed to certain things. Calming colors really seem to calm us, whereas some bright, bold colors inevitably give us energy. Think about, the businesswoman they always tell to wear the red power suit. It makes you feel like you're the boss, it makes you feel bold and powerful and in control. And that can actually tie over to our home decor as well. So when it comes to textures and colors, think more soothing and calm rather than bright pops of colors. Now, for most people, bold graphic patterns just don't rest well in the bedrooms. So if you still want some interest in your bedroom, maybe instead focus on smaller, intimate patterns that really work together while, at the same time introducing very rich textures. So quilted throw pillows, faux fur pillows, comfy knits, and neutral tones are all great starting points. You can layer in these soft elements throughout the space of your room for a really welcoming feel. I feel like I've overwhelmed you with tips, so I'm just going to give you a few more really short ones. So, don't forget to add area rugs in your space. They really give you that softness that you need, and of course, as soon as you get out of bed, it's great to actually step on. Don't forget to cover your windows. There's nothing like bare, cold windows to prevent a room from feeling snug and comfortable. And the last tip I have is one that I don't know if I'll be able to follow. Hopefully you can. It's great to shut out all technology in your room. So that means, maybe having a phone-free bedroom or just for emergencies, but not laying in bed and editing and being on your phone nonstop like I do, or even as far as not having a television in your bedroom. Could you guys comment down below? Let me know how many of you have TVs in your bedroom. So as we near the end of this video, let me know down below in the comments section, what are you doing to make your bedroom more cozy? Or is your bedroom already very cozy? And if so, what did you do? Was it the textures and layers and materials that you used? Is it your furniture, the lighting? I'm all ears and I want to know. So comment down below. Alright guys, so definitely let me know down below, did you like any of these bedroom styles? Is having a cozy bedroom priority on your list? If you want to see one that I actually kind of liked, is this room. It's definitely give me rustic vibes, which you guys know, I'm not a huge rustic fan. However, I did want to choose something that's not just something I would normally choose, and this room actually feels really cozy. As always guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Bye friends.